Okay, I don't know more. Someone going to full video and one after sometimes. I remember the interview. Especially some of our brothers say, "Bundi no China Delta State, Mandino River State." And I join you. Which tribe are you from? The person I work that I am Delta Igbo. I be River State Igbo. Still, my friend, let me tell you the truth. There's nothing like Delta Igbo. It's either you are Igbo or you are not. There's nothing like River State Igbo. Look at people from the 5 states in the eastern Nigeria. You can see that none of them have ever identified themselves as Ebonyi State Igbo or Anambra Igbo or Enugu Igbo. They are always tell you that they are Igbo. Boldly from their chest, they embrace it with their full chest. So it's either you act like them, embrace it with your full chest, or you go and get yourself a new tribe. Stop confusing people. There have never been in anywhere in the history of Igbo that we have anything called Delta Igbo or River State Igbo. Maybe because of your political reasons, because you notice that anybody who identifies himself as an Igbo person is already having chotin one in Nigerian politics. They will always deny you of your privileges. That should not be the reason why you should be denying your tribe. So far you are answering Igbo name. So far you can speak Igbo without anybody teaching you that. So far in your in the formarket days in your village or in your own state is identified as a K.A. Nkwo, Ore, and Afo. Then you are an Igbo. Embrace it. You can't be speaking Igbo. You can't be answering Chukwuemeka, Chukwuebuka, Ekene. You can't be answering. Your market days can be called Eke, Afo, Nkwo, Ore, and you guys are still coming out and telling us you be Delta Igbo. You want to confuse people. You want to make yourself look different from the Igbos of the southeast. No, it's either you identify yourself with them, you see them as your brother, or you look for other tribe. Igbos are not begging anybody to identify themselves with. We already have well-to-do men. We already have men who have broken both international and local awards. We already have the names already. Igbos are people that carries energy wherever they are going to. Whenever you see an Igbo man coming, you see that energy following him. You see that energy that make other people around him to start feeling intimidated. You see that energy that make other people to start getting jealous of him. That is why you see, like in Nigeria today, it's like Igbos are the most hated tribe for no reason. Not because they are intimidating people, not because they are doing any harm to anybody, but because of their progress. Because there are people that want one thing they touch, they can touch something that's not a good, the thing will turn to good. They can touch something and that thing will automatically turn to good. We are known for success, and this is always what makes people to get jealous wherever they see Igbo people. So my brother, you see that Igbo or Neboro, we'll send all this nonsense of Delta Igbo and River State Igbo, because when they draw proud to be an Igbo man, if you are not proud to see someone from Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, and Abia State as your brother, then go and look for another tribe, because we are not begging anybody. We are not looking for customers. We are not looking for people who are going to identify themselves as Igbo. We already have men. We already have men that no other tribe in the whole of Africa can have. So stop all this. Be proud of it. I don't know if you're not proud of to be an Igbo man. I don't know which other tribe you even prefer to be. So let's stop this nonsense of always coming out with this mentality. This person will tell you I'm Delta Igbo. This person will tell you I'm River State Igbo. We don't have anything like that in the history of Igbo. Go and know that now.